All right, what's going on, friends? My name is Mick, and I'm posting my day trading journey right here to YouTube with complete transparency. And today, I just scalped all over the place. It was pretty crazy. It wasn't super high quality trading, but I did make a clean 250 from it, and wanted to kind of just go over those trades real simply. All of them happened before like 11:15, 11:30, and then I just finished. I wasn't really liking the price action over lunch, but it is Thursday, and I think I'm just going to be done for today. The first couple of scalps, I don't usually trade the open. I don't like to trade the open unless some important levels are getting hit. But this one, I liked how right off of the open we had a lot of buying pressure, but we did not break above even this high in the pre-market. So I was taking that as, after these wicks, I took that as a sign that we were going to sell. So took a quick sell scalp there. Waited a little bit longer to kind of let the price action even out, and I figured we were going down. One thing that was I really like to play are gaps. I love to play gap fills, and we did have one from the pre-market, and the gap was around basically when the market opened, or really yesterday. There was a gap at like 770. So I think the market really likes to fill those gaps. So that was in the back of my mind. I still traded it really badly, even though I knew that there was a gap there. Still traded it pretty badly. I was still trying to just play the price action and not necessarily like try to predict anything. I was looking for, after we had this big selling section here, we broke briefly below yesterday's high of day. I was looking for a pullback into this larger fair value gap / this like 1 minute order block. I didn't get the full pullback, and I kind of missed my entry short here. It didn't even really touch VWAP. So I'm not really upset with this. I just kind of put a note there that I missed that entry. But when we got back down here, what I was looking for was more continuation plays, and I took a very small scalp short here, and wasn't sure if we were just going to continue, because we did break below this yesterday's high of day at like 807. So I was playing the short off of that low. I got out pretty quick, and fortunately that was green as well. But this is just not a really good area. It seems like we haven't really decided what we're going to be doing, and that's okay. I just don't want to get chopped up in it. A couple of other notes. We did end up filling the gap. After the open, we filled the gap here, and then a couple of minutes afterwards, we took some stops. Again, these are just things that I'm going through in my mind. This didn't really initially look to continue like it was going to going down, because I did put that we had like some 1 minute market structure shifts. We had a larger 1 minute structure shift here. And then we just had pretty heavy selling pressure. So this was, I did have one loss today. It was a pretty small loss. I thought we had, after this market structure shift on the 1 minute, it was looking like we were getting supported, because this order block is a 15-minute order block that I drew from yesterday. So this was the order block from yesterday. It really would have worked out on the hourly as well. This is like 4 15-minute candles, and so I was keeping an eye on that, and we were respecting it. So we played out of that 15-minute order block, had a 1 minute market structure shift, and came back into that order block. So I looked at that as an opportunity to go long. I could have scalped it, but I felt that this would have been a better play to hold a little bit longer, and I did hold it a little bit longer. But I got stopped out pretty quickly. My original stop loss was like below the lows down here, which was around like 765. I did move my stops, and in hindsight, I guess I'm glad I did, because it wouldn't have hit my target. So I got stopped out for a small loss, maybe like $100, and then gained it right back on another long scalp right afterwards. And that was my last trade of the day. Not pretty, but I'm still working on gaining some confidence back. I just need to get some trades underneath my belt. start getting into trades, start actually having entries, and then making just making plays, right? The confidence that I'm going to get is actually pressing the button. And, sometimes when your confidence is shaken after a bad couple of weeks, even just pressing the button to enter a position is kind of stressful. So I'm pretty happy that I have been able to at least start getting back into trades, and then got myself 2 green days in a row. So yeah, earning back some confidence, but not going to overcomplicate it, not going to overtrade. I'm going to take my 250 and I'm going to get gone today. So that's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.